You got it? Alright, me too. Alright, here's our first meal of solid foods. Where's the bib? Can you get that for me? It's right there. Okay. So of course this goes on first. And all the way to here. Yeah. Take the book away. Yes. That's not food. Yeah. But guess what? Guess what Mommy has? Mommy has something really strange. Can you open up? Oh, let's try this one. Yeah, I know. This one's really good too. Okay. It's not working. Oh, here. You're looking at Mommy? What in the world? You don't need a bib because you're so good. Okay, what about this one? It's not the bib. You're here. Wow. What do you think? It's really good. Do you want more? You like it? You fit the spoon. Good. Wow, that seems like a lot of food now. Slowly as he's eating. It's not sticking to the spoon. Very good. Okay. Beautiful. You want to feed yourself with a spoon? Oh, okay. You got the bowl. Very good. Okay. Here. Open wide. You are so good. You're a natural. No? Here, you want to try it again? Do you not like it anymore? Are you okay with it? You want to try the spoon by yourself? Oh yeah, you like the spoon more? Is Daddy eating the same thing? Do you want more or should we be done? No, not really. You calling it quits? Do you want to try a different food next time? Okay, maybe bananas aren't your thing. One last try. And then we're going to call it quits. Okay, that's good. Yay, good job, Braxton. Good job, sweetie. Yay, that was your first meal. Let's see, make sure we can read this about bananas and mashed foods and everything. Oh yeah. Stop mine as well. Good job, sweetie.